Where you from?
Oceanside.
Oceanside?
Yeah, it's right down the coast. I went to Las Vegas.
Yeah.
Well, they took my car out of the desert.
Oh, did they?
And I had to pick this up.
Well,
I
good.
got a low battery. I got a bump start.
Well, good luck to you. Oh my. He's got a bump start this thing. He did it. Guys, if you're not subscribed to me, you should be. Click on that subscribe button down below and then hammer the hell out of that bell and you'll get an email notification that I've uploaded a video. And if you would like to be an insider and a supporter of Lone Star Rider, click on that eye in the sky and check out my Patreon site. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think. Catch y'all on the road. Gonna try this without that crazy beeping going on. Check, 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 check. And check out my... Got a bird beeping over there. Beep, 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 tweet, 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 tweet. Beeping. I got a bird tweeting over there.
Lone Star